Wait. No, like I'm struggling to walk. No, wait, I don't think he can camera flip. So what's your fan's name? Got a fan's name?
Clementi.
Vaginas.
Clementi.
Vaginas. Welcome back to my life. Oh, you bro. Hi friends. She said we're going on a walk. Okay, we're gonna be walking. Look at the view. This is the other side. We didn't?
Already starts eating.
What's this about now?
Sharing umbrella.
Yep.
Eh, where's Alina?
Underground right now. Yep. Okay. The tower to hell. Vlogging already. Yeah. Dia main Uno. Dia main
This is our lunch.
Tak mau lo tu. If not later like it's too dry. Okay, then you should mix the rice up first, then the rice will be. Because now the veggie will get all the sauce.
Why does it look like we're the only one on the picnic?
No, I feel like nobody came here because they thought like it's raining also. Yeah. But I feel this nice weather compared to the other time we were here.
It was like sunny, cloudy, sunny,
yeah.
cloudy. Yeah. But isn't that the point?
I guess so, but there's never really like a perfect weather to be honest. Shit.
It's so quiet.
Right? Can
No,
we
not
not be so
staring at her.
awkward? Oh my god. So what? For what? Oh my. Oh, Chunky new outlet right here. What they say bibimbap.
Aww.
We moved to shelter. Yeah. The rain's getting heavier. Oh, look at them looking hot. It's not coming. Try stop. Later the black attracts it.
Tisha, you know if you do that, they're gonna think that you're one of them.
That's why.
I'm not of you. Go, take selfie. Beside it. No fucking way.
Is that you approaching her? No, right? Oh my god. She ran away, bro. What's she doing?
Who is chasing who, bro?
Second. Fuck.
What the fuck?
He's looking at you now. Behind you, bro.
I think broke it with my hand.
Oh my gosh.
What is this guy doing? Daddy said you shouldn't care now.
Okay, so while it's not raining, we are now going to the sand. Okay, let's flip it. Put here. 3, 2, 1. Low key a fail. Yo! Yeah, I just realized you can wash like your leg with it. Yeah. It's kind of good. Oh, thanks. I'm not going to wash their leg. What are you making now? I don't know. Everyone's digging a hole for a hut, and she's making her own project. Damn! Look at her. Nelly, I think we need your help here. Yeah, Nelly, we need your help. 3, 2, 1. What are you doing? We're just like the ASMR butter cracking squish. Work harder, Jishan, work harder.
I am! She the only one that work. Go leave, boy! Jishan, go!
Nelly, what are you doing?
Playing sand. Photo shoot session 1 done.
Session what?
Photo shoot session 1. Session. It's meant to be straight, right? Oh, but everybody else is like a bit more different.
My slippers, they came off like wait. No, like I'm struggling to walk. What's the slipper?
Can lah, bro. Can zip up lah.
Oh.
Low-key, this is not a wet jump. It's very simple.
Okay.
You know, I think about it, right? It's quite good. You know why? Why? Got zip, bro.
is fine. Did it say? I don't think it's stated.
I mean, we can. Oh, you got lah, 590.
580. Oh, should be fine.
Yeah.
Should be fine. Okay. Alright, I guess. But it costs so much more. Can I mean, yeah, sure. Guys, look at it.
Thank you, 7-Eleven.
Apparently they want to take a last photo because they thought it would be nice. So, but I find it pretty dangerous. Day's over. Yeah, home time. Now we're walking back to the train station. She's gonna go with her dad.
Oh, should I take a picture here?
Oh yeah. Should we?
We are on like a 15-minute walk, but like we actually took our own sweet time, and then there's a girl in front who's like speeding.
Can you even see her?
Oh shit.
I think she just ran away.
Okay, me and Ava have a trip home together.
Yeah, we're dropping off at the same station.
Bye bye. See you later.
What is going on?